Get outside and get moving. Outdoor activities like hiking, biking, and gardening do wonders for your mood and physical health. Breathe in the fresh air, soak up the sunshine, and feel the joy of connecting with nature. From boosting your immune system to reducing stress, the benefits are endless. Did you know that spending time outdoors can improve your cardiovascular health and increase your vitamin D levels? Plus, outdoor activities are a great way to bond with family and friends. Camping, hiking, or simply a walk in the park can help you disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with your loved ones. Nature offers the perfect setting for creating cherished memories. Embrace the peace and tranquility that nature provides. Outdoor activities can also enhance mental clarity, boost creativity, and promote mindfulness. Health Wealth Safe encourages you to embrace nature and make outdoor fun a part of your natural living lifestyle. It's time to discover the simple pleasures and profound benefits of the great outdoors. Start your journey towards natural living today. Join our community and explore the path to a healthier, sustainable lifestyle.